Alright, well this is just going to be like literally a 1-minute video, but I wanted to include a recording of everything I do so that it can be a true, genuine, hands-on experience. We're doing some remodeling in my house. It's all DIY stuff. And these are some big zip ties. This one has me a little bit concerned because it's cinched. The one on the belt is cinched so tight that the one on the belt here is cinched so tight that I'm gonna have a really hard time comfortably snipping that. So that's a bummer. I can't really move this. It looks like there's something underneath stopping it. I don't know. I think it's just that zip tie stopping the belt from going round and round as I pull and push. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Home Depot soon and pick up some electrical stuff. We're doing our own electric work, so if I don't make more videos, it's because I burnt my house down. I need to, yeah, this is way too big. I'm gonna have to go in there with like a razor or something. Either that or, you know what I'm gonna do? Well, no, that's not gonna matter. I'm just gonna get my knife. Everyone invested in 3D printing should own a utility knife. They are worth it. Oh gosh, I just nicked that underneath somewhere. I can't tell. I just nicked the bottom of the build plate. Hopefully I didn't destroy anything. Okay, so yeah, right away this is already really tight, really taut, and it's moving. Looks like I've got some more zip ties I forgot. So anyway, just wanted to do this real quick before we leave and go to Home Depot and pick up some stuff for the remodel that we're working on. Right away, that's something you got to be careful for, is smacking the light there. But anyway, I freed the cable across, which they said to do that one. I freed the cable down here, which they said to do that one, and the cable here, which they said to do. But they didn't include the one I just had to snip. So come on, AnyCubic, attention to detail. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get going. There's more to life than 3D printing, and this can wait until later today because it's not going anywhere. But anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video because I'm working on it, and so this is a hands-on experience. Anyway, so far, really impressed. It's super exciting. I really hope you can probably not on camera very easily. Let me hold this with my hand. So you can see underneath, got massive brass wiring down there to heat up this thing. That's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to throw some insulation underneath. But I can't see where I nicked it with my utility knife. Pretty small, tiny little nick. Probably didn't even get through whatever protective coating is underneath, because it's not rawly exposed or anything like that. But this is a really nice printer. It's the nicest printer I've ever owned, and it's way more nicely put together than the Annette ET5. And I'm not trying to knock Annette. I love Annette. They are a really great company. They have fun little cheap printers if you don't mind doing some DIY stuff. But this is really impressive. This is interesting. Now that I've moved the build plate out of the way, the ZN switch, which, let me get this hot glue out of the way. So much hot glue. It's a little mechanical right there, and it looks like it's just going to interact with what exactly? Just the thing. Sorry, I'm a terrible cameraman, so it's just that little thing down there. So anyway, looks cool. It's fun. I'm excited. I'm worried. I'm also worried about the tension. Too much tension. They should have loosened it. The belts. They should have loosened the belts. They're just too tight, in my opinion. But that's just me being a worrywart. I'm gonna come back and do this later. Got to get the kids ready. See y'all.